Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to a new video where today I'm here at Thorpepark for an exclusive event. Jack Silkstone's holding an event, the SLKSTN event, to experience Fright Nights this evening. So let's head in and check it out. There's so many of them. Yes, Crystal! Go Pinata! So we've just done our first round of trailers after birthday bash. It was so good towards the end, like it got proper scary. And now we're staying in the area, heading to Old Town for Freak Massacre.
Oh, they're here. You could be only one thing. Are you one of them trolls off that Tic Tac? That's good.
Right, we're going in.
You going in?
Thank you.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Excellent.
So we've just had 2 run-throughs of Freak Massacre. Both were absolutely amazing. I've never heard my brother scream so much in my life. It was phenomenal. There's so many actors in there tonight. Here we go, heading to the Crows. Where they go, nobody knows, in Walking Meadow. Excuse me, thank you. I'm being chased. Oof. God. Yeah, definitely some good scares in here.
I can throw up. Okay?
Sorry.
Alright, why would you want to be Amity?
I have been since the start.
Why? Tell me why.
They were here before you.
Yeah. So?
So
There were a lot of things in this universe that came before other things that were cooler. We're new, better, brighter,
Okay.
cooler.
Okay.
But I didn't say cooler me. I said cooler twice because
It's okay.
and we dance better.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. So technically, you're trying to be loyal to Amity, but you're not really loyal because
Technically, I'm a bit of a traitor, aren't
yeah,
I?
because you're saying we're better dancers. So
Like
we're
I thought.
yeah.
Don't tell anyone though.
Right.
Yeah. But don't tell anyone because like
Because why?
I don't want to be eaten. And if I get eaten
Eat
by the
If they go
vampires.
near you, I'll eat them.
Okay.
Okay? We're
Good, thank you.
stronger, we're faster, prettier,
Yeah?
and if they even come near you, I will kill them.
Okay, thank
Okay?
you.
Alright? I don't know why you want to associate with dead people that are already dead. Right?
I've
At least my
converted.
heart is beating, I'm warm, they're freezing cold and dead, and look at the bags under their eyes.
Well, that's good. That's just my
And they
complexion.
need some blusher, and they need some bronzer, and then maybe then tell me what is pie?
I times E.
Okay,
No,
not
I'm
very
joking,
smart.
that was a
Not
joke.
very. That's not even true. It's definitely not true. I'm head cheerleader.
Who are you giving him to?
The ringleader. From the big top. He's escaped from what they call the festival arena.
Oh, a couple of years ago. You've been out quite a while.
That is. Got lost. Just rummaging around in these.
Death Doors is up next.
Security of the death door. Or the doors of death. Or the doors of death. And for you four to enter the doors of death or death's doors, I need to see you all break down. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, you can go. Your turn. Who's knocking on our door now? God, I hate men. They're so annoying. You're next. You're gonna be turned into a pie.
Team Amity door.
Oh my God, they're up there.
Welcome to Survival Games. It's an extremely intense, scary experience where you'll be separated from your group, touched and grabbed by the actors in the very beginning. If you do not
So we've just done survival games and it honestly had such a good run through compared to Halloween night. It was so good. I was cornered up against the wall, grabbed, like properly grabbed and dragged and shoved. It was a really great run through.
Stop this right now. Graduation is cancelled.
Fine. We're not giving up without one final fight. Yo, 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 like it.
This place about to blast. We don't need a key. We get it for free. No VIP sleeves. Drink that Kool-Aid, follow my lead. Now you're one of us. You're coming with me. We're taking names 'cause we don't mess around. This place about to blast. This place
be poppin' like, yeah. All my bitches got real. Moving, we can keep the club jumping till daylight. From New York to LA.
So that is the SLKSTN event unlocked, all done. We've had a brilliant evening. We got to do loads of run-throughs of the mazes. The cast were absolutely brilliant. Really felt like there were loads of actors here tonight. Jack, well done for holding such an amazing event. We've had an absolute blast. The after party was great as well. Really hope to see more stuff like this if you could do them in the future. But if you've watched this video to the end, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, it would really mean a lot. And like and comment if you were here. Do let me know if I saw you today. It was lovely meeting you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.